random episode with Superman JP, Shirtless J, the Black Vin Diesel, the Darkest of Nights, all that good stuff. It's a mouthful every time. I'm gonna have to compress that sooner or later. Anyways, I was watching some random videos because I just let YouTube play when I be in the garage or whatever the case. CKC Garage and Dude Dad and David's TV or whatever the case. But anyways, I seen a few things about Power Wheels and taking the Power Wheels heavy lead acid battery out and putting random power drill batteries or whatever the case. So it got me thinking, because I got a bunch of random batteries, and I also just picked up this random Power Wheels Jeep right here. It's a Rubicon. I actually happened to see it sitting in the driveway right there. These people were moving and throwing some stuff out or whatever the case. So it was just sitting out there, so I went and grabbed it. Mainly because I wanted to put a real engine in here, like a 250 or a 450, whatever, stretch it out and something, build a frame, do some stuff like grind hard plumbing and whatnot. But anyways, while it's just sitting here doing nothing, I figured we'd try this out. The main reason I even grabbed it was because it was just throwing out, and I seen it had a radio, so I pushed the button and the radio works. So I was like, man, that's pretty wicked. You got a light bar, and the light bar works, or whatever the case. Forward and reverse down here. So I went and grabbed it. It looked like it was in decent shape, so I grabbed it. But anyways, what we're going to do is take this thing and try to get some power to it. I actually have a couple Power Wheels charging cables or whatever the case, but both of the ones I have didn't fit this actual Power Wheels. So we're going to do what we can do with it. I also think they threw it away either because they lost the charging cable or the battery that they had in it died. So we got these. These Power Wheels cables here didn't fit. This is one of them, and this is another. Didn't fit. It's got a bunch of random cables. So I'm gonna take you guys with me as we go through this thing and we do it, because shoot, I got this Porter cable battery. I also got a couple of DeWalt batteries, but I got more of these Porter cables, so we'll try it with this 20 volt lithium. I've seen it done with 18 volts, but not 20. So we got that. I got an inline fuse. I don't have, well, I can't find, in the midst of all this stuff, can't find the actual one with fuses. But these bus fuses work pretty decent. I got up to a 20 amp one, so that should be good. I also got some female connectors here and some male connectors here. A couple bits of wire and a razor blade. My slip and snip scissors. I like these things because they slip and they snip. You close them up, you can't tell, nothing be poking you. And you open it up, as I could do it with one hand. Yeah, open it up and then you snip. Anyways, I like these things. Anyways, let's do this. So the first thing we do is I'll take this battery and we'll pry right above the actual connector there. Once you wedge it in this way and wedge it in that way, you just pop that thing on off. And then pop this thing on off. You keep popping this thing on off. And now we'll release this cable. We got the connector, the cables. These are the little tubes to fill the acid in here, which is kind of dangerous with kids or whatever, but it's got a circuit breaker there as well. So if your Power Wheels ever cuts off or whatever the case, it's usually the circuit breaker, and you have to wait and restart it or whatever. But anyways, after that, you just lift this up a little bit, and then we'll find our way in there, work it up in there, do one side, then do the other side, and then pow, comes right out. We pull it out as much as we can here. Let's use some feet. Pull it out as much as we can and pull this out as much as we can. There's glue on it, which makes it tough. And after that, we'll take our blade and chop this thing right on in half. Scissors would be preferable, or actual wire cutters. I'm just using what's beside me. Make this a quick thing. Alright, so that's out. Batteries useless. It's done. We got this. Let's set you guys somewhere. Be more prominent here. Not too high. Yeah. So we got these. We're gonna strip these wires out. Alright, so we got this thing rigged up. We got our inline fuse on our positive white. And we got a flatten out connection here. Okay, focus. Focus. Okay. Focus. Nothing. Alright, well you see it's flat. That's flat. And this is a male connector and it's flat. The reason it's flat is to go into this battery here. Go into this battery, slides into the positive, this side slides into the negative. Then we can plug it up right into the power wheels. Alright. Alright people, let's go give this thing a quick whirl. See what the freak happens with this thing. I'm quite curious. My porta cable battery has charge on it. I'll set this phone right here. No, I won't. Right there. No. Right. Hold on. Let's get some stuff. That's a pretty decent angle. Not the best, but we'll work with it. You guys should be able to see me down here. I'll plug this negative into my negative port here. Positive into this positive. Positive is a lot better. And then we'll throw this thing in here. Stick it down to the bottom. Connect our clippy clip. Alright. Everything's plugged up. Moment of truth. Turn the key on. Hit the gas. Oh snap. Seems to work. I'm about to get in here. Can't help it. I can't fit anyway. Let me take my shoes off. Get in this Rubicon. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Alright, let's hit this gas. Nope. It works. Battery must be the dead one, and I grabbed the wrong one, but it works. The wheels are going a little wonky. I might have to check that out, but for the kids that come over, it'll be nice to do. Give them something to play with. I'll show you what I'm talking about with these wheels. This one's going like inward, and this one's doing what it wants to do. Flip it forward, and it works. So anybody interested in saving their power wheels from getting thrown out, throw a freaking power drill battery in there, or any kind of chargeable battery. Throw it right in there. Make sure you put a fuse in there. 30 amp, 20 amp. This is a 20 amp, so maybe I need to go up in amperage. Yeah, whatever. This needs some work, so we'll check it out. Anyways, appreciate you people for watching. Whatever you gotta do, whatever you want to do, get out there and do it today, so you don't have to worry about doing it tomorrow. Stay positive, stay motivated, Continue to keep pressing forward. And remember, I believe in you.